To commemorate the father of Khasi language, Reverend Thomas Jones, on his birthday, Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Students Union organized an event at Presbyterian Church, Police Bazaar. State President of TMC Students Union, Shillong, President of Ribhoi TMC Students Union, Payabas Kemkar, the State General Secretary of TMC Students Union, Damiyo Lamare, and others were present at the event. Damiyo Lamare paid his homage to Reverend Thomas Jones by remembering his contribution towards the invention of the Khasi alphabet. Lamare says, despite Reverend Thomas Jones' non-tribal status, he tried to uplift the Khasi community with his truest intentions, for which the Khasi people are forever indebted to him. Shillong expressed his gratitude to Reverend Thomas Jones for his contribution towards the community. He said, "We are here today as a mark of respect and gratefulness towards this great man's contribution towards our community. It is this great man's contribution that our state has reached up to this point, that we have fought for our independent statehood, that we have doctors and engineers, we have been able to produce the chief election commissioner of this country, and many more. It is because of this man's contribution and dedication to uplift our community. Today, we are proud to stand here with a political party which will set a foundation. On the foundations which these people have laid, we the students can set our foot for a brighter and better Meghalaya."
Friends, we are here today representing the All India Trinamool Congress through the Trinamool Congress Student Union. I am proud to be standing here today representing the student community as the state president of the Trinamool Congress Student Union. We are here today as a mark of respect and gratefulness towards this great man's contribution towards our community. It is this great man's contribution that our state has reached up to this point, that we have fought for our own independent statehood, that we've been able to produce doctors, engineers, we've been able to produce chief election commissioner of the entire country through our state, and many more great personalities have come out from our state. It is because of this man's contribution and his dedication towards uplifting our community. And today we stand here proud to be a political party which is new in the state, which will set our foundation on these foundations which these great people have set these foundations upon. His contributions are the foundations which we the students can set our foot upon for a brighter Meghalaya and a better Meghalaya. Thank you.